Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good afternoon. As you guys know, I'm a sponsored talent from Lucasoil products. I'm probably the only YouTuber that's sponsored by Lucasoil, and for that I'm honored. This is my third year that I've been fully sponsored by them. In 2018, I had a half-year sponsorship because they accepted me in the middle of the year. So as a result, I didn't get a welcome box for that first year. But this is my third welcome box for the year of 2022, and it just came by the UPS guy today. Looking at the size of this box, it differs a little bit from the other two that I have. They're slightly bigger, but we'll find out why. Usually it just encompasses a selection of every piece of Lucasoil products that they make, plus some swag. You guys know how much I love swag, right? Well, we'll see if there's anything different in this year's box. It's definitely already a little different because, like I said, the box is smaller. Ooh, look at that. The minute you open it up, keep that engine alive. Lucasoil. This is definitely different already. A t-shirt. Gators, flag, 3 gators, a flag, Medal of Honor, Museum Foundation card, some brochures for lubrication, fabrication, some stickers. I love stickers. The entire product catalog. So that's in the first tray on the top there. Lucasoil engine oil stop leak. Heavy duty oil stabilizer. Pure synthetic stabilizer. Oil stabilizer. Penetrating oil, my go-to product. 2 of them. GDI, that's injector cleaner. You spray it while the engine's running. Transmission stop slip. Cleans and lubricates sticking valves for proper shifting. There you go. Some white lithium grease. Contact cleaner, which you guys know I use plenty of on a regular basis. Ooh, this is for your guns. I use this a lot when I clean my guns too. If you guys want to check out my guns channel, go check out Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. I feature a lot of outdoor products such as the CLP. This is the new product that they have for this year. It's a Sure Start starting fluid, 50% ether. Stuff works great. This is another new product that I received this year. Tire inflator in a can, like Fix-A-Flat, you know, but Lucasoil. Complete fuel system renewal kit. It's tune-up in a box. So it has some high mileage fuel stabilizer as well as the upper cylinder lubricant in there. I've used them before. Complete engine treatment. Individual bottles of fuel stabilizer. This is the high mileage fuel treatment. This is the Safeguard ethanol Safeguard that I actually did a commercial for them once before. It's at the end of my videos most of the time. I'll put it on the end of this one. Ethanol Safeguard. Octane booster. This is really worth it because you know, you want to increase your octane. You get the cheapest gas, 87 octane. You put some of this stuff, it goes to like 103, you know. Slick mist. This is the speed wax. This is the interior detailer, you know, for your dashboard and seats and stuff. This is the tire and trim shine to clean up your tires, kind of like Armor All. And this is ceramic speed wax. Very cool. So, you guys have seen pretty much everything that has come here today in my welcome box. I've had every single piece in here as a regular inventory delivery for me, which I definitely appreciate. But this is a nice little welcome box just to give you a quick look at what their main lineups are, the stuff that they really want us to push. But thanks a lot to Lucasoil Products for again sponsoring me for my 3rd year, and this will be 3.5 years that I've been a sponsored YouTuber by Lucasoil Products. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucasoil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire slide out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.